had one of her friends take care of yeah. So there was some miscommunication where we left before we had really finalized. We left the cabin with the food.
I am asking everyone here today to speak up if you are not doing so already. Dedicate your lives to this movement for animals. No one person can do it alone. The animals can't do it alone. This movement is going to take all of us. It is going to take all of us speaking loudly, strongly, and clearly. We must cry out that we demand animal liberation, and we demand it now.
Speaking out against injustice. You inspire me every day to be a better activist. Now it is my honor to present on behalf of the Farm Animals Right Movement the Celebrity Animal Advocate Award to Kat Von D.
This is so gorgeous. What happened?
I got it.
Just happened. Okay, this is what?
Keep going. Do not mind the man urgent.
And I'm not even drinking. Can you imagine what I was like when I drank? Okay, this is a gorgeous painting, and I actually have a work by this artist, and it is so beautiful. I gave it to my girlfriend last year. She treasures it, and she's treated me better ever since. You really should, the starting bid on this is...
This is amazing. Thank you so much. As I was thinking about what to say tonight,